Ekero keribono aba Kenya nene aborokiwa bari bakoreta matemo manene yegirasi kya gatano na gatatu bairede guchingira amachibu ayibagendete konyora nene kero muwasiri bwegisemese kirumba kimacho nyaraga korali bene okubwatu kugwa machibu ayo ye class kya gatano na gatatu eyibono ya Ikomi obwo muroberi 844 ekerobona abakenya bonsi bajogoso somuroberi OCBC kiskuru ao aborokiwa n'abateni b'kiskuru ao n'aborokia nigo baendete guchingira machibu amaya anekero banyarire bakonyora ngakia borokiwa ngagosinga kiabana banyate bakora matemo abo yo mwaka oyo iga asikiskuru ao imene isiko ya Gusii no gogoka kwanena aborokiwa bange nigo bayitite biyano guchingira kuni okwanekiwa siskuru ao ase county ya Kisii amo neli ya Nyamira kibaito no barasinzemo awao asorongurwa Gusii baendete gutubwateria akiskuru cyanyara chiko gokora asikinsemo amangi no gikonyora gekoraga enseyemo ya bormaroba ekrabari kibaito jokoratera oroboti ruabo asinjira ayo obuikiranwe kabana inche ndakomanya asinjira yoko juta ngaki aborokiwa na aborokia amo nabadeni begiskuru anene chirikia abanyene baendete kogokera amachiwa maya ayubanyarire ayonyara kagosokiwa ni tugoria no nye system ya feri asini ko na machibu ayo ni gabande banyorire abande kerbane to konyora go ikabone ko kubolio bana inche go Ikomi kero to kwate na bigari nyancha makuru asense meli ya maliyo ya mone chibicha bana botamberiane Brighton Makori. Ekerobono aborokiwa bagendete guchingira machibu amaya ayibanyorire kubwatikana no kubwatukwa kwa matemwa ayekera sikiri kya gatano na gatatu ayonyaraga kubwatukwa imambi yeritukorero no mugwasiri bwegisemese kirumba kimajo gwali asensemo ya mtiani aus ni gaborokiwa aba baendete kogokera amachibu ayo amona bateneni abao begiskuru abao ase orogongo rwa Gusii asensemeli ya osasito kujakera ase county ya Kisii asoboteneli weskuru ya Algen Academy nigobono bago keire anenekero abana banyara bago korabuya ase skuru eyo asamachibu amaya ayuba kire nyasaye asanyara gako babwera umwana mutangani kurwa ase skuru eyo Algen niganyara gakonyora Magsi chiminye na Ikomi nelimo asiskuru eyo ekerobabwate eminisko ya 377 buna omoteneni gose administrator bweskuru eyo France bagaka agonyara kwerera ekero atabisomo gokoe anekeranyarire gakogokera machibu amaya eskuru ya nyarire gekolikia asi county ya Kisii.
Asogo terende senga ke yonsi bikuru kwa eta matemu mpaka bonyiga na no mo wakomo nene wetira singuru chiae twanyare konyora matokea maya style yega twabwate class 8 candidates whereby umwana mutangani amane chikonyora marks 411 mwana ukabera nyora 407 yo gatatu nyora 403 in that order so mwana olengo wo moiso kabata marks 339 a general mean yarenge 377 yagiraneri all stakeholders to chakera the director of the school for the good support atoire of this period na kera bayibolinga mbiyamono asogo to entrust abato abana babo na ndenga kere everybody who participated is to make sure nga abana aba banyarire gukora matemu ese environment yerengia nakanyora kiri batakeire buna abana kegorigi gokima igo nomo wako monene beyond explanation. So thank you so much everybody and thank you so much.
Marieta
Otigana
bono kurwa seskuru ya Algen ase county ya Kisii ni gotoko ende ya mase ya mawika se county Nyamira asogonyora no director bweskuru ya Rimo Nyamira Academy oinerogo keira machivu anekara utebune skuru yo nigo yanyarire ke okorabuya ase ensemeyo ni gatebruna gokora amangana goikirania yonsi no kubwaterana naborokia ase skuru yo mo director yo ni gakorwa Alice Mokeira nero nyarire gakokera machivu ayo ase ensemeyo umwana mutangani endo yose ekerondo jeni go batwara mean ose scoring mean ya 395 tatura ki alsinere anyarika okwana igoro yokorokuya kwa harimo Nyamira Academy.
Kwalsi Mukeira Nyarienga nincho ma director wa harimo Nyamira Academy. Nindana moka seri tukulia lero abana bane bakora amatemu buya. Abana barimo bakorera amatemu buya nabwata abana barengera Chester di 30. Abana batangani ababwate 480 barenge babere naenda abanyaruka batangaine tubwate 400 kire 13. Mwana bo mweri abwate 376 igo ngwagera Nyasaye mbiyamana number 1 ngwagera abarimu bane mbiyamana asegasi bakora na ngakere na abana asengenja abana babwate discipline yarenge igoro enda abana babaye kworo kigwika bakore biya na bayibuli bane nko bakera mbiyamana tiganya saba seseni na ende abakonye monyore chibesa musomeri abana abaguchibosi
omwarimu monene bono bweskuru eyo ya rimo amo naborokiwa bari bakora amatemo ayo nabarabu nigo batabisoma goko banenekero batebire na amachibu ayo nigo banyaga keire kyanda Ikomi ekero batera na barabu kubwaterana no gosirwa como director Alice nigo kwarenge koreta liga sarigia eri bagasire litko lialero.
Brian Wisebe, I am from Harimo Nyamira Academy. I sat for my KCP exams this year and I managed to score 406. The teachers are the ones, first of all, who I like to thank because they did a very good job and they taught us. My dream school is Alliance Boys High School and that's where I want to be. Thank you.
Marieta yongoro kwa Moses Ouro, ncheno mwalimu mwanene wa Harimo Nyamira Academy. Ntorana magoko kweli kubwate kananga abana baitira matembu ya sana. Twabwate total number of candidates 30. Mwana mutangani gabwata max 408. Twabate chitaibere 408 apps. Umwana wo mweli gabwata max 376. Emini go yarenge 395. Igomoroche nga abana bambe tomete kweli ko make sure nga ba achieve reach target chiri chiabo elinde eli chibaire form 1. Bono esiri ya matoke Amayia neli Nyasaye kwanza ne tokobeka mutwe kubwate kananga nero kurukere gento na mbaibere abarimu nabarobu bakorera motivation ya igoro because na obarange na abana aba na abo bare the first parents ya abana aba boigo no mo director nere oberega gwikanganga abarimu boigo ne staff yonse at large.
Korwa senseme ya Nyamira ni otogwere na se county ya Kisii twende ya maweka sensemeli ya suneka aseskuru ya braces op suneka asumwarimu monene nera nyarega kokera okurikiwo kuya kwa machibu aseskuru eyo ekeronere anyarega gotogia oboteneri weskuru eyo anenekera aborokiwa abeskuru na baruba nyarire bagokora buya asenseme yukwena kibona nabarungwa nyorera barenge amachibu amaya asenseme ahengati iskuru osangati amachibu ali eskuru jende gokora buya sorongo rwa Gusii anekera bariki baito barasinsemeye bagendete gutware ngo nete turanda sensemeyo ya precious oba sensemeli ya suneka toramanya ngaki aborokwana barubanyara bagokora buya ensemo eyo.
Kwanza, I'm very happy with the results that we have got this year 2023. Our learners have done very well. The best learner had 421 and the last one had 370. So as a school we are privileged, we are happy. And I want to congratulate our learners most sincerely kwa kazi nzuri ambayo walifanya. Our teachers, congratulations. Keep the spirit up. You have done well. And we want to congratulate our parents also for the support. They have been very good. They have been supportive. And we are happy. We believe in unity. And that is what has given us the best results. So we want to congratulate each one and every person, even the community at large, for giving us support. Precious Hope School has always been doing well, and this year we are happy being the last year for 844 system, and we have emerged victorious as usual. So I want to congratulate each one in Precious Hope fraternity, and I want to request parents, those that don't know the school is there. We are CBC compliant. We want to welcome each person and each parent who is looking for excellence to his child, to bring his or her child to precious hope, in that we are set even for CBC. Come 2024, we also have our laboratory, our computer lab well equipped, and also have the playing materials. So the school is well set, and we want to say thank you, congratulations to all, and may God continue giving them also the brain to do better as they join the high schools. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
My names are Harrison Omega Mariga. I'm the father of Charity Kerubo. It's my second born daughter. What I can simply say, I'm extremely excited and happy indeed. I confirm, like my daughter has been telling me that I'm passing, and indeed she has passed. She's number 11 on the score list, and our dream school was Kenya High. I'm excited, like she's now going to join Kenya High. The sky is the limit. What I can say about the other learners, God has given you what you have hardly worked for. Secondly, as you move forward, my daughter Charity, the sky is the limit. She has been telling me she wants to be a surgeon. Go, 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 the sky is the limit.
My name is Charity Nyamira Counties. I got 306 marks. I hope for the best, but this is what God gave me. I hope to join my dream school, which is Kenya High School. Thank you.
What do you want to be?
Bononi otokwenda wikazi nsemeri yogembo asitokonyore skuru ya Maxwell Academy asungano motangana nyaga kwenyorera Max Chiminye na Ikomi ekeromo director we skuru inere hawakeire aboroki wabanyaride bakonyora amagisi ayomaya asensemeyo kanera ternene lenjere yamo yogosira ebyewa awa anenekera aboroki wa baringa skuru gati nere na kwana mona bible bali baikirana skuru yekero bago kera gokora buya kwa aboroki wa skuru yo ya Maxwell Academy kutoka Sensemeli Yogembo.
Naitwa Tom Nyagaka, the director of Maxwell Academy campus. Enyewe matokeo ya hii mwaka imekuja, and we are excited. We thank God first and for the good results. We thank God for this, and also the parents and the pupils who did this, my teachers. I thank you for the hard work that you have you did until we have such exemplary results. Kwa kuanzia, unajua vile tulikuwa tunapata hii matokeo imekuwa changamoto sana. Hii namba walitupatia hii namba ya SMS haifanyi kazi, so tulikuwa tunangangana kupata hiyo namba iendi mpaka mmoja wa mwalimu wangu mkuu akaenda online, akaenda kwa mtandao, ndio akaenda kwa portal, ndio tumepata out of the 88. Saa hii tuko na wanafunzi almost 35, ndio matokeo yamekuja. Out of those ones wachu kabisa tumeona hapo na 410, lakini huo sio index 1.
Mwekezo sanction.
Jina ni Provision. Ndio mzazi wa Daniel. Nimefurahi sana kusikia matokeo ya mtoto wangu. Kwa tunatarajia, tumengoja hadi saa hii hatujapata matokeo mazuri, but mtoto wangu amekuwa wa kwanza kwa na hiyo matokeo. Tulikuwa na alama ya 410. Saa hii sasa wengine bado hawajapata hizo alama. Sasa sisi kama wazazi wa Maxwell tumetiaiki sana. Tumejaribu kutafuta pesa hadi tumesomesha watoto wetu. Kama uchumi iko mbaya, but tumejaribu sana. Tumesomesha watoto, na pia director wetu tunamshukuru sana kwa sababu alikuwa anatupeleka kwa hao watoto. Tukikuja hata akiwa na pesa kidogo, pia anaturumia, tunaingisha pesa kidogo ili wanasoma.
Keroto gireti gochigokora mwana itamaye Chinsa Ikomi ni gobono abateneli usababwatani banyarire bagoteana mbuya goika omwerio bwa 844 sebono bagokeri getambukiro ky'umurobiri CBC azabatena umurobiri no rwachi gokonya borokiwa kwetenera na kwegenderia asinga kiribusika hukwana yo no moseneta bwe county Murang'a Choe Nyutu oyote na bono ninjira yamo yogosuka kuru getambukire kemo gose asekende moseneta yo nigatenenire gosinigale omunyakirobo bwe kamati yechisemi as a senate
by the Minister for Education that we never again allow our learners to be assessed on only one parameter, and that is academics. Because of course, we know that all of us are gifted differently, are talented differently, and that is why I'm an ardent supporter of CBC, that going forward, now that we are done with KCPE and 844, that no learner will ever again be classified as a failure simply because we were assessed on a parameter that they were not necessarily talented in. And so it's incumbent again on all of us, led by our able CS, to see to it that we do not drift into an examination system once again. And so I do not want to take much time. I thank everyone. I also take this opportunity to honor the gallant soldiers that fell by the wayside in administration of this exam, and in the many years that this system of 844 has been there, even as we pray that CBC will now sort out our problems of unemployment, and that even the mentality at home will change, that not only people with payslips will again be considered, will never again be considered to be the only people that are in gainful employment.
Ayibono na kwariania se jinze Ikomi ekero amatemanya raga kubatu bene litiko lialero itugulia nginto beto kumenya ngaki aboroki baendete okora muno kurende gikoraga ense yemo ya marogoba nuganyora yo mana mange bana bali kibeto baendete kutusangire kuruji skuru aho ngakicanya chikokora kurujikonyorete runa ifrinio sero akumanya yuna mange ogenda ko bamo ngikoba ime yumoroberio kise koba ime yigataseni kya Ndizi TV na kyubansumu gusi asemeroberi yeto yakira chinga kigwakira mbiyamone karande gotengera Ndizi TV na rubansumu gusi natwabotera na bigari nyanja muyene kuna maliyogine chibi chago chere asenchera ya bene bana botambiriane Brighton Makori nyasaga kunganjana ya wanjire tumirane angyo asomoroberio bwensakya
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omu Gusii.